The GPCA Carabiner Pro X key builds on the robust titanium and steel foundation of our Pro models, bringing you all the essential multi-tools with exciting new additions as your everyday carry companion for adventurers in Seoul. Super compact key module securely holds up to 3 keys. Easily deploy whenever needed. Take on your everyday carries and tools. Clip it anywhere. It's your go-to EDC tool that even pops a drink.
The new GPCA Pro X key line, this solid built key carabiner, not only streamlines your keys, but also has a multi-tool built in. Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a handy box cutter. This is the perfect carabiner to streamline all the things you carry with you daily. Check it out.
Now your tools and keys are all integrated. The key module also retrofits the original Carabiner Pro, so no more fumbling for keys. Or customize it. The Pro X would be awesome with its double-sided multi-tools, a dedicated key zone, and even a secret capsule. Crafted from fine titanium and steel, the GPCA Pro line is built to last, with every detail fine-tuned for maximum functionality and durability. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, an everyday adventurer, or just someone who appreciates top-notch design, the GPCA Carabiner Pro X key is your versatile everyday essential.